So guys, I want you to know before you go, just don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Now on our pound USD, we will be doing a quick analysis for today. As you can see on our pound for today, we had a bullish move which is on the 6th. So on Wednesday, we are going to be having a bearish move. I want you to know that. As you can see on our daily time frame, our price is about ranging here. It does not want to give us a direction move, but before the end of this week, we will be going bearish. Probably our price should be closing below this my area here that I've just marked, which is this green that you can see here. Will be our price will close below it this week. But for on the 7th, which is the next day, we want to see our price move. We should be going bearish. Now let's see on our 4-hour time frame. As we can see that our price is actually reacting here, and we are even going downward. If you understand your your trend line, you see that it's trend move. You can see that it's actually going bearish, by the way. So we can see that our price is actually reacting to this our key level here. There's actually a minor key level here, as we can on a mark. You can see that price is actually reacting here. So definitely tomorrow we'd want to see our price close here and possibly push up again. I don't believe that tomorrow we will see a breakout continue downward. I don't believe it. I believe that our price will come here, hit this our area here, retest it, this support area here, then we would go bullish again, then we would actually now see a fall again. That is exactly what I am planning to trade on our pound USD. Then probably the next day, which will be on the 8th, we can see a breakout below. But before that, let's take a short position, then our price will actually push up. As we can see, we are actually ranging around this key area here. We are actually on a range here. Go on our daily time frame. As you can see on our daily time frame, you can see that price is actually ranging here. Price, there's movements, there's a ranging market around this area here. So that is why I want you to go, short it and actually go bullish on it. So price will actually be ranging between this area, between tomorrow. So that's exactly what our pound is actually showing us. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.